In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to turn the smooth edges of screen fonts on or off in Windows for optimal display or performance. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Click on the File tab at the top left and select Run New Task. Type System Properties Performance in the field and check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. The window will open directly to the Visual Effects tab. Locate the option in the list. To enable, check the box next to Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. To disable, uncheck the box. Click Apply and then OK to save. Restart if necessary for the changes to take effect. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.